See, there's birds over there.
Duh,
Yeah.
the bird feeder.
No. There's a bird on that fence. There's a bird on the fence.
On the fence.
Yeah.
Dad and I got to see a hummingbird a couple days ago.
Yeah.
Is that a bird up there on that wire?
What's up? That one right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a red bird?
No, it's not it's just a regular bird.
Up there, on top of that pole.
What pole?
Like on that, maybe it's on, that could be cable wire.
Yeah.
No, there is one. Or there was one.
That one over there.
It looks yellow.
It looks yellow.
Yeah, it's not a bird.
Oh.
It's not moving. It's not a bird.
Yeah, it's not a bird, Mom.
Mm. Well, I can't tell from here.
Is it a bird, Courtney?
It's a plane.
It's
not a plane.
Superman!
Don't you get it, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
I'm not a bird. Na, 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 na. It's not easy. Do, do, do.
Be quiet.
What?
Seriously?
It's not. It's
He
not
wants to get hurt.
easy.
Seriously.
It's not easy. She's missing the joke. Lumberjacks.
So what are you going to do over there?
They're gonna probably kill some people.
Are you guys going up to...
I'd say something, but I'm on camera right now. And I'm in front of my mother.
What? I don't want to know.
No, we're gonna eat dinner and watch a movie.
What movie you gonna watch? Coraline?
Coraline.
Corn on the line?
Coraline.
Coratine?
I'm gonna hit him. Mom,
Hmm?
I'm gonna hit him.
Is it a Time Burton movie?
Mom,
What?
can I hit him?
No. Yeah.
Wait, what the hell, Mom?
She's driving me crazy. That's why.
Who? Me or him?
Probably both.
I'm not even doing anything.
You're always doing something.
Wish I would hurry up.